working with shapes to cut out other shapes, or adding shapes. So in this case, I'm going to choose to make a cube, a circle. Okay, and right now, they look very stylized, and also realize in outline, they just look like this. Okay. Again, Control 5 on the number pad will allow you to toggle between. So in this case, I want to take this shape and join it to this shape. Well, there's path. Now look at the shortcuts for these. Control plus, Control minus, Control times, Control caret, divide, and Alt divide. So let's use them first. Like union, for example, will join the two shapes and make the outline go all the way around. Difference will bite into the shape, and I think you get the idea. Intersection will only use the space between here. Exclusion will be the opposite of that. And the last one, well, cut path. Division, I don't use that very often. Cut path, it doesn't look like it did much, but really it did this. So it allows you to cut based upon the shape. So Command Z or Control Z undoes. So there we go. So you need to toggle back and forth. Alright, now every time you did that, however, let's say I did the union. Control 5. You can see what the actual path looks like. Control 5. Now let's undo. What if I want it to look like this? Well, here's how that works. You would have to take this one and stroke to path. And you have to take this one and stroke to path. And now, when you take this one and unionize them, they are one. And if you hit Control 5, this is what they look like. And this becomes very relevant to laser cutting and working with vectors and working with, like, let's say vinyl cutting. We have to learn this because the things that we make has to have a path in order for the machine to work. So it's very important that you understand path versus a preview. So, play around with mixing shapes together and getting a good path. One that actually represents the shapes as they are joined. Move on to the next video.